Good morning, Winter. The air is very chilly. I need a routine. Ooh. I will push back my hair. I have my cleanser. I rub in a circle. Wow. Ooh. Now I rinse the soap. I pat my face dry. This toner feels fresh. The mist is very light. Ooh, ooh. I use a serum now. Just one drop is enough. Tap, tap, tap. Tap. I want to protect my layers. This is for my eyes. I must be delicate. This cream is very rich. Do not. Forget the neck. Oh. Oil helps in the winter. My skin is glowing. My lips are sore. This balm is smooth. I must stay hydrated. I must stay hydrated. The sun is still there. The light reflects on snow. This is a jade roller. This feels so relaxing. These are very soft. My nails look pretty. This smells like vanilla. Time to get dressed. I look ready for the day. I will rest for a minute. This tea is very hot. I love this story. Reading is so fun. Hello, little bird. The fire is very warm. I love my family. Nova is coming home. Walnuts are good for the brain. It is warm in here. My boots are sturdy. Drink some water, plant. I feel very lucky. I will wash the towels. I will wash the towels. Start the machine. I love vitamin C.
Yes. This is very tasty.
The storm is over. What should we do next? My coat is heavy. I like these trousers. My bun is tidy. Honey is natural. The kitchen is clean. The sky is beautiful. I love the evening. I am a bit sleepy. My pillow is soft. The stars are twinkling. Good night, winter day.